Now I have to make the lining of the bag, so I choose a dark brown fabric and I have to draw the same pattern, and I will need 2 pieces just like this. I already cut 2 pieces. The lining will be in dark brown, and also the side panels are here, but for the pockets I want to use something more colorful, and I have this fabric, but I will use only the red flower pieces, so I have to cut it like this till here. And let's measure it. This is our zipper. It has to be long like this, so till here. I will cut 2 pieces. If it's necessary, I will make it smaller. For now, I want a big roomy pocket inside. It's done for this one, and also I need another pocket or 2 pockets. I will just cut this piece till the end. And I will see if it's enough. Yeah, I think it will be enough. So again, 1 pocket like this. Let's check again this one. It's too big, so I will cut it here. And I will use this piece here. And this way I will make 2 pockets. I think it will be nice like this. And now we have 2 pockets, and here I will add some leather pieces, let's say like this one. I will choose and I will show you when I make the pockets. I already stitched some pieces, so the double pocket will look like this. On the place I stitched the 2 pieces, I add some lace. I think it's nice. And here some leather pieces, so this one will be cut like this. and all the sides will be bent like this. So this pocket will look like this, the stitching will be here. It's done. Now the zipper pocket, it's like this. Also I add this lace on top of the stitching here, and the zipper I cut this piece, and now I have to add it on top of the zipper. Let me, yeah. I did it like this, and it will be, I have to add a little glue here. Our pocket will look like this. Again, I have to trim it a little bit. And when I stitch it here, also I will bend all the edges like this. Now my logo will be here, so let's choose some piece. Let's say from here. I will make it like this. Yeah, why not? So our pocket will look like this, the zipper pocket. And now I have to stitch them. First the leather pieces, and after that I will fix them on the lining. I already fixed the pockets, so this is the zipper pocket. I will stitch it all around it, and this is the other pocket. It looks like a big pocket, but it will be stitched here. So again I will stitch this pocket till here. And my lining is ready, and I will show you how it will look like this. This is the zipper pocket, and on the back side here is one pocket and another pocket here. Now I have to make the strap, and when I fix the pieces I will show you how the strap will look. I already cut the pieces for the shoulder strap, and I will use this buckle, and the buckle strap will be simple like this. One piece, it will have a lining. I will stick the pieces, but the other part of the strap will be a little bit different. And take a look. I will use this piece. It's a hair-on leather, and it will be the face. The lining will be here from this brown leather, and it will be like this, and you will see this hair-on leather on top of it. When I fix the parts, I will show you how the strap will look. Take a look. This is the bag. Okay, this is the strap. I only stick the parts, so I think it's perfect this way. And I will show you what I did. This time the upper part is bigger than the lining because I wanted to use this distressed edge of the leather. The lining looks like this, so I will stitch it this way. I will use the lining to stitch it. And also here I add an extra piece, this one, because I don't want to make holes on top of this hairy leather, so the holes will be made here. The buckle strap is like this. I have to stitch it, and for the metal parts on both sides I will use these pieces. I just made them from leather pieces. When I stitch them, you will see. They will look nice, I promise. And it will look like this. I will show you. If I decide to add this one on this side, take a look. I think it will look very original like this. Why not? So back to the stitching machine, and I will show you how the straps and all the details will look. Take a look. The strap is ready. This is a long strap, and here I will add one stud. Here the pieces are stitched like this. Maybe I will trim a little bit this piece, but when I make the holes I will decide. The side pieces for the rings. The buckle strap looks like this. So now I have to press the stud, and our strap will be ready. This one is okay, and another stud here. It's done. Now I have to fix the zipper, so when I make it I will show you. Our bag looks like this. I just attached the lining. Also, let's add the lining inside. Take a look. And I have to add the final stitching here. And what else? What else? I have to add the straps and our bag will be ready. So when I stitch here the bag, I will show you how it will look. Take a look, the zipper is here. I stitched all around the bag. Also I add some piece here. I will stitch it and it will be okay like this. And now I have to add the strap. This one will be like this. On this side I will add which one? Let's say this one. And I have to fix it like this. I will show you. It will be like this with stitching and one stud. I think it will be enough. On the other side I have to fix the buckle strap. Also it has to be like this. Yeah. And our bag will look oh sorry our bag will look like this. When I stitch these small pieces here, I will show you. It's done. The bag is ready. Take a look. Here on the front side I add some fringes like this. And here also on the zippers like this. Here one piece. I think it's enough. Also I add a small leather piece here to be easy to open and to close the bag. Take a look at the strap. I think it's nice. I just trim it a little bit here to be easier to buckle the strap. I add some holes and I think the bag looks nice. On the back side everything is done. And also I would like to show you this pocket. It's a really roomy pocket here. I really like it and think about making small bags this way. Let's close the zippers. They will be like this. And now I have to go outside to try the bag. Here is my large leather bag, extravagant, comfortable. I hope you like it. I hope to like also my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. I'm here for you with another tutorial. Wait for more and be happy. Bye. Have a wonderful day.